These butterhead lettuce have been in the grow pod for about 4 weeks now. And a few days ago, I started to notice tip burn at the center of the heads of lettuce. So tip burn happens due to a calcium deficiency. And you'll notice this often in the youngest, newest leaves. It's not because there isn't enough calcium available in the nutrient mix. It's because the plant is unable to move the calcium quickly enough out to the edges of the newly forming leaves. So the way we can combat this is with airflow. Some type of small fan. I noticed the tip burn, immediately set up a small fan that's going to create a gentle breeze across the top of the lettuce. And what that does is it increases the transpiration process and allows the plant to move that calcium to where it needs to go. You can still see some of the remnants of the tip burn here on what are now more the adolescent leaves, but the newest leaves that are growing here at the center of the butterheads are perfect. And so if you find yourself with a tip burn issue, just increase ventilation, get yourself a fan, and make sure there is airflow over top of the lettuce.